Millions of people are turning to weight loss medications like Ozempic. But what if I told you that you can get the same appetite control, metabolic boost, and fat burning effects just from the right foods? Today I'm breaking down the science behind how certain foods can mimic the effects of GLP-1 receptor agonists. I'll show you exactly how to use them to control hunger, support fat loss, and balance your blood sugar, all naturally. I know the goal for so many of you out there is weight loss, but rapid weight loss on very low calories leads to muscle loss, slow metabolism, and rebound fat gain. Low calorie diets decrease GLP-1, which is a hormone that controls hunger. So what's the solution? We need to eat in a moderate deficit while focusing on high protein, nutrient dense food. So I know the reason you clicked on this video is because you want to know what foods mimic Ozempic. Well, let's start with number one, which is oats, a beta glucan fiber. Oats have a slow digestion, which will keep you full for longer. They will lower your blood sugar spikes. The best way to eat, and my particular favorite, is overnight oats with a protein powder and some chia seeds. You can take them out the next morning for a delicious breakfast and top with some fiber-rich fruits and maybe some Greek yogurt, and it is a delicious way to start your day. As I just mentioned there, Greek yogurt, which is a great source of protein, but also a probiotic. This increases GLP-1, which is fantastic for our hunger levels, and it's also going to support your gut health, which is so important. For me, the best way to eat is as a snack with berries and dark chocolate, or as I said, add it to your oats in the morning. There are so many ways to use Greek yogurt. It is a fantastic way to create a dressing for your salads. Add a little bit of mustard to a Greek yogurt and you get a real creamy, delicious salad dressing. A really good plant-based option for appetite control are lentils and beans. Both are really high in fiber and protein, so they will slow digestion and also increase satiety. The best way to eat them would be like things like lentil soup or curries, or you may mix with eggs for breakfast to create a beans and breakfast effect. There are so many ways to use beans or lentils. Next, let's look at apples and berries, full of pectin and polyphenols. Apple pectin delays stomach emptying, polyphenols improve insulin sensitivity, and so the best way to eat these is as a pre-meal snack or mixed in with Greek yogurt. My personal favorite is to slice up some apple with some Greek yogurt and cinnamon, and it is the perfect delicious snack. And for all you chocolate lovers, dark chocolate is a great source of GLP-1 and it's great for stress reduction. It's high in flavonols, which improve insulin response. And the best way to eat dark chocolate is to look for a chocolate that's about 70% or higher in cacao, and you may have it as a snack. I like to slice it up really finely and sprinkle it on top of some Greek yogurt and berries, or alternatively over my overnight oats. So a really, really good source. 2 metabolic boosters to include into your nutrition daily is ginseng or green tea, or both. Green tea increases fat oxidation, while ginseng stabilizes blood sugar, which is so important for us women in perimenopause. So 2 that I would not leave out of your daily nutrition. Science really does prove that food can act like medicine. Use these foods really strategically in your day and you'll control hunger and optimize fat loss, which really is the goal, especially for us in perimenopause, and no drugs needed. I hope you found this video helpful. I know it was a short one, but I think it is really important to know that there are alternatives. There is certainly a place for drugs like Ozempic, but I think it's important to know that you can actually try looking at our own food sources first before going down that road, because there are so many options out there that can really help. So I hope you found this interesting. If you did, I really would appreciate it if you could hit that subscription button and also the notification bell so you know when I next upload a video, because I have lots more information coming your way. And until the next one, bye.